afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. You know, for all of you people out there that are just checking us out for the first time, what we do here is custom build engines. And we have to be a little bit different than most guys out there because we'll build almost anything you like. You have an idea or a dream, what you got to do is go through all our videos, look at some of our pictures, go through some of the pictures of the engines. We'll build you almost anything you want, color, style, we get the job done. That's what you call a custom engine build, not one that's just a cookie cutter engine. We can build a lot of those too, but when you want something crazy, we can also build that. This happens to be one of our 347s, 425 horsepower package. Thing just got done making about 466 horsepower, about 464 foot-pounds of torque. That's phenomenal. Black engine, black wires, MSD, all MSDs on all our engines. If it's a carburetor, it's always a Holly. Brand new Eagle rotating assemblies in almost every one of our engines. All hydraulic roller cams in most of our engines. Could be solid ones once in a while. But again, we go the extra mile. Now some of the differences are A or P main bolts throughout. Heads, mains, or heads. Throw away the 3/8 rocker studs, put 7/16. Mainly push rods, quality push rods, not cheap ones. That's the difference with our engines. We don't want the cheap stuff. We may put the valve covers on, you can change your own valve cover. But again, all internals, this engine is the top quality part. Cleveland bearings in all our engines also. Again, quality on the inside is what makes it run on the outside. Just think about that for a second. When you go to make a purchase, make sure it's quality on the inside. Thank you. Okay, William. We got your 68 Ford Mustang engine done here. It's on the dyno. It's a 347. Came out awesome. We're going to fire this bad boy up. How's that for firing? Nice.